Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to fit wind deflectors on your BMW 3 Series. First, gather your essential tools: a trim removal tool, some rubbing alcohol, and a clean cloth. Next, make sure your car's windows are thoroughly clean and dry, as this ensures proper adhesion. Finally, take a moment to identify which deflectors are for the front and which are for the rear doors. Now, let's tackle the front doors. Begin by fully lowering the window. Carefully slide the deflector into the window channel, starting from the side closest to the mirror. Apply gentle, even pressure as you push it upwards. You should feel it click securely into position. Repeat this process for the other front door, ensuring a snug fit. Moving to the rear doors, the process is quite similar. Again, lower the window all the way down and give the channel a quick clean. Carefully insert the rear deflector, making sure it aligns perfectly with the window frame. Once in place, slowly roll the window up and down about 3 to 5 times. This helps the deflector settle properly. To finish up, double-check that all 4 wind deflectors are firmly in place and that your windows operate smoothly without any obstruction. For the best results, try to avoid driving at high speeds for at least 24 hours, giving the deflectors time to fully settle into their channels. And hey, while you're upgrading your ride, why not make it smell great too? Check the description for a link to Little Tree's Black Ice and other fantastic deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.